Now, Sarah, do you know what we're going to do now? We're going to show everybody Baba's tooth. Baba's new tooth. Oh my God. Where is she? Oh my God. Say hello, Baba. Okay. Okay, that's our baby. She's now 6 months old. And she's gorgeous. She's gonna give her a smile. She's gonna give her a smile. Ah, good girl, Sarah. Give her a smile, gorgeous. Hello. Tickle her, tickle her. Now, Sarah, look at me. Look at me.
Yeah?
Look, no, look here. What's your sister's name?
Yeah.
What's your sister's name? What's her name? Sarah, I'm serious. What's her name? Sarah, look at me. Sarah, what's her name?
Isabel.
Isabel.
Yeah.
Can you say it again?
Isabel.
Isabel. High five. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Oh my God, where is... Oh, no.
No.
Okay, this is gonna be hard. This is gonna be tough. Let me see. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Baba, open your mouth. Open your mouth, please.
Baba.
Look at this. Oh, God. Can you see? Oh, my God. It's so small. Let me see, Baba, please. Come on, Baba. Come on. No. No. Come on, Baba. Please, smile. We want to see your tooth.